Of course, now we have the biggest capability we've ever seen, artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence massively optimizes that. But it's not only optimizing the ability to, let's say, transform document or create a video, it also makes things finally personalized. We've been lucky to get like a really great programs out where people have been very happy with them. But even within those programs that have been receiving awards, I've heard one person very, very clearly one day, and it still stuck with me, and that person left the company where I've been doing great work with programs. He told me, Olia, I'm coming from a company to a company every single time, and they make me go through exact same training that I've done 5 times before in every single company. Not only compliance, right? Just like for my role, because they don't have a record of that. And also, it's, I need more in-depth training. I'm tired of going to the same onboarding and getting general information, right? The reason why that was happening, not because we as a trainers or like managers didn't care about that. It was physically impossible because of the data that I've shared with you before. Because if you spend 1 day to create one course, sorry, 1 month to create one course, and you have 12 departments, you're going to literally create the same training entire year just to be able to tailor that. So now you can forget about that, because now you can personalize that. And that's a funny thing. If anybody's in the startup right now? Anyone's an investor? No? Okay, so a quick story between investors and startups. Essentially, none of the investors like when the startup is industry agnostic, because they say if you concentrate on all industries, you're not good at something, right? And that has been true for a very long time. But that's shifting now with AI, because AI enables you to do a super personalized training. You're going to see way more companies that's going to be industry agnostic. And it's not just my opinion. The report from the investment in North America, for the first time, almost 50-50 in the last year in the investment in industry agnostic companies and not. And then now there are going to be more and more horizontal. Projection is next year we're going to see more investments in the horizontal companies versus verticals. So that being said, you can definitely start playing and personalizing. However, here's the trick. If you do want to personalize your training programs and you want to scale them, you now will need to go more online versus in person.